Did you know that self-directed IRAs are the only retirement arrangements that allow individual investors the freedom to pursue alternative investments, such as real estate? Investing in real estate with a self-directed IRA offers many benefits to those who are looking for creative ways to save for the future. What other asset class can you invest in that's backed by real, tangible property as collateral? 4 reasons to consider investing in real estate with a self-directed IRA. First, tax-free or tax-deferred earnings. Self-directed IRA investing offers great tax advantages to real estate investors, though the exact benefit will depend on the type of account used. If you use a self-directed traditional IRA, for example, you will not have to pay taxes on contributions or earnings until you start taking contributions during retirement. With a self-directed Roth IRA, however, your earnings will appreciate tax-free, allowing you to enjoy your profits without the hassle from the IRS. Number 2, a wealth of options. When investing through a self-directed IRA, your real estate investment options are nearly endless. Choose between rental properties, either residential or commercial, undeveloped land, fix and flip opportunities, and our favorite, mortgage notes. Number 3, a secure future for you and your family. So if you're an experienced real estate investor, you could be using your knowledge to help secure a comfortable future for yourself as well as your family. Self-directed IRA rules protect your retirement savings from debt collectors, which means investments held in these accounts are more safeguarded. Self-directed IRA rules also allow you to leave these savings to your heirs, so successful investing could mean a significant inheritance for your children. 4th reason, it's easy to get started. All you have to do to get started is open an account and fund it. There are 3 ways to fund your self-directed IRA. Transfer or roll over an existing retirement account, such as an employer's 401k, into a self-directed IRA, or make regular annual contributions to your account. Once your account has cash in it, you can start investing immediately. You can even partner with other investors until you have enough cash to invest in real estate on your own. So don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notifications bell to get all the Oregon real estate updates. And if you like this video, do us a favor, hit the like button below. And if you have any questions, jump on our website and sign up for a free consultation. It's as simple as that.